Boom! Indoor sunglasses engaged. What is going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we are talking about Bbig stock Vinco Ventures closing the day up 24%. Absolutely phenomenal. We are starting a nice little gamma squeeze. So lucky for me, I don't have to quit YouTube. Let's go. Anyways, this is exciting. This is invigorating, but the job is not done. There is plenty more room to run. I haven't sold a share. I haven't sold a call option. I'll only be telling you guys when I plan to sell in my private Discord, which is the first link in the description, but we'll be giving you guys the update anyways in today's video. Drop a like on it if you guys enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. And without further ado, let's get right into the update. All right, so today's price action was absolutely redonkulous. It gapped up to 326 there in pre-market, coming right back up as market open, only to dump off, stay flat, stay a little bearish throughout the day. Boom, we come right back up. Last 30 minutes of the market being open with some crazy volume there into close. As soon as we moved up above that $3 level, boom, it shot us up all the way to 310. That's the delta hedging taking place right there. As you guys can see, same thing happens to the downside as well. I also think that's probably why we pumped up at market open, because they're not going to be delta hedging during the pre-market, right? Because that would just make the stock price go up like crazy. They're going to do it when the volume comes in at open right here. I bet a majority of the delta was hedged right there. Still absolutely incredible. We put about 10,000 here at the 2.5 in the money today. Another 10,000 right here at the 3 in the money today. Another 7,000 right here for the April 1st expiration. Another 2,000 right here for the April 8th expiration. And another 40,000 here at the April 14th expiration. So the gamma is definitely juicing up, and we've got an insane gamma ramp left to go. I'd like to quickly thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Moomoo, a licensed FINRA broker that does absolutely zero payment for order flow. They're running a promotion where you deposit $1 on their platform, you get up to $7,000 in free stock. Absolutely insane. Also an additional share of Neo going for about $20 per share. Free lunch on Hootmoney, potentially a free Apple stock, Amazon stock, Google stock, you name it. Links are below in the description or pinned comment section. Let's get right back into the video. All right, so that red dot that we got here on the hourly chart earlier was a good signal. The stock price did in fact come down throughout the day. However, we got the green dot right here on the current hourly candle, meaning that we could potentially continue to move back up. The hourly chart has been staying overbought. Understand what this means. It means there's added risk, but it also means that we can parabolically run. It could mean that we are just at the start of this, as the weekly chart right here is definitely very oversold, and it's been oversold for quite some time. The first concession that I'm seeing here is we got that first 4-hour red dot since March 11th all the way back there. As you guys can see, we'll pull up market cipher. There's some conflicting signals because obviously it's a bit overbought, but the red money flow is about to cross over into the green, meaning that we could start our bullish uptrend. So what this means for price action is that it could stay in this overbought territory right here in the positive momentum on market cipher. We've seen that so many times, but it also means we potentially could cool off, or it means that we can get a fake out, right, where this red dot means absolutely nothing and then gap up in pre-market tomorrow. So I just want to run all possible scenarios. However, I think the most likely result is that we continue this momentum and continue to push higher. We've got a 90.59 short squeeze score on Fintel. I give it the Hootmoney 95 out of 100. We're not quite there yet, but we are going to get there. I definitely expect us to push up to around 60 or so tomorrow. Barely any shares available to be shorted. It's still very low cost to borrow. A lot of what I'm talking about has already been covered in my last video on Bbig, so definitely check that out. I posted it this morning. Ortex data still looking absolutely juicy with another 2.25 million borrowed shares. Oh my gosh, this keeps happening. Where did they get the shares from? The utilization has been 100% this whole time. It always happens, guys. It always happens. Happened last run up. All it's gonna mean is more juice for us to squeeze. Looking at the unusual whales options flow, $10,000 in premium or more, ask side only. We're looking at the straight buying of calls and buying of puts. all we got today were buying of calls, and we've seen the most amount of premium on BBIG stock spent since the January run-up. Let's freaking go. You guys don't understand how significant this is. 45K premium right here, 47K premium right here, 36K premium right there. Everything else between 10 and 20K premium. Absolutely no puts. This is insane. 100% bullish premium. They're targeting the 414 expiration and the $3 strike. Switching from the ask to the bid side, the bid side was just as bullish, as there has been plenty of put covering, including 710,000 right here. Selling of the put. Again, that's a synthetic long right there. They're probably covering their short position to some extent. We also got a spike up in call volume today at 303,000 from 116,000 on Friday. Absolutely ridiculous. This whole time back here, I was making daily boring updates. I was like, guys, you know, it's better to be buying when this call option volume is low. I know it's kind of boring. It's not moving much, but again, it's probably better to be buying when this call option volume is low. Boom! We spike up today. Absolutely incredible. The only other times we've had call option volume this high, we've rallied multiple dollars in share price. Absolutely incredible. Back here in January, we saw something this high. Back here in October, similar heights. And then back here in September for that initial run up to $12 per share. Option chains with the highest open interest are the 414 and the 715, a bit of a mix of both of them right there. This also means that the juice will remain loose beyond 414 and into July. Biggest option trades of today, the two biggest were selling of those put options. It was overall 60% bullish. There was a few more sellers of the call options today as well, and dark pool volume remained just as high as it was on Friday. Max pain is 2 for this week. For 414, it is 2.5. And here is the gamma exposure. It's absolutely ridiculous. There's tons of gamma above the stock price right now. It's absolutely insane. Majority of the gamma is up here from $3.50 to over $6 per share. It's gonna be an absolutely incredible run. I'm so freaking pumped up. I'm jacked to the you-know-what, guys. BBIG, I believe we are going to run very parabolically. Not financial advice, but I'm so freaking excited. I can't even put it into words. Anyways, guys, drop a like on the video if you guys enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. If y'all loaded up on BBIG under 220, make some freaking noise in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for following my channel. I'm so excited. I love this stock. I absolutely adore BBIG stock. Anyways, guys, check out Moomoo if you want up to $7,000 in free stock. And if you want Hootmoney trade alerts, that's the first link in description as well. We hit a play, CYRN up over 50% since entry intraday. I'll roll those profits into BBIG. Let's freaking get it. Hootmoney trade alerts, first link below. That's about it, guys. I'll be seeing y'all later.